Man, I tell you what, I am tired. Oh,
come on, Sonny. You're too young to be tired.
well, yeah, well, you're too old to be alive, but here we are. What's happening, everybody? In today's video, we're going to have a little experiment with the Camaro's old stock muffler. I remember I cut this thing off and did some cherry bomb muffler sound tests on my 97 Camaro. It's got a 3.8 liter V6, and I'm really curious to see what's on the inside of the stock muffler. There's really not a whole lot to it, so I'm curious as to what's on the inside of this thing. Alright, so we're going to load up. We're going to head up to the shop to cut this bad boy open. So let's get started. Alright, we made it up to the shop. We're ready to cut this bad boy open. This is the inlet. The exhaust comes into the muffler right here, reverse flow, whatever, and then this is the tailpipe right there. I used the cutting wheel on my 99 Yukon muffler, and it chewed up that cutting wheel pretty quick. This thing was this big. So we're going to go back to what I used for the Silverado, and that was this little nibbler tool. It's got like a little groove right there, and it basically is like a fingernail clippers, and it just nibbles away at metal. You can use it for like metal siding, metal roofing, to make complex cuts. So we're going to use that. But first I'm going to have to drill a hole big enough to be able to get the head of this thing into the metal. Okay, I think there might be a chamber wall right here that I'm running into.
One eternity later.
Okay, well, I finally worked my way through this muffler. Let's take a look. Again, it's two pieces of metal together, but this is interesting. I was not expecting to see fiberglass in between the sheets of metal here, so that's pretty neat. You know, when I did the Silverado and the Yukon mufflers, I half kind of expected to see fiberglass in those big mufflers, but there weren't any. So that's pretty cool. That's very similar to the Silverado and the Yukon. And this is again the inlet. There's a very small chamber here, 4 dime-sized holes in the wall of this chamber. So the gases come in here. These are all perforated. So inlet fills up this chamber. This tube is connected through the wall here, so that goes into here, into this chamber. This is an open tube for the outlet. So it's a reverse flow design. That's pretty much what I expected to see. It was another reverse flow design. Very small chamber, mid-sized chamber, and then a large chamber. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's compare it to the other mufflers I've cut open, the Silverado and the Yukon. Alright, so it's virtually the same length as the Yukon muffler. It's about 1/3 of the thickness. So we got our inlets going this way, our outlets going that way. So each one of these mufflers has a very small chamber to start off. And so that's pretty cool. This has a small chamber in the middle of the muffler. This does not have that, it's just a wall. So 3 chambers, 1, 2, 3, 4 chambers. 4 chambers in here and 3 in this one. Still get the reverse flow, but it's just obviously a single pipe instead of stacked pipes, as this is very small. Again, these two did not have any fiberglass whatsoever. So passenger car, an SUV, and a pickup truck. So pretty cool. That nibbler is so cool. I love these little fingernail shavings that come out of that thing. That's awesome. Well, that's what's inside a stock 1997 V6 Camaro muffler. I gotta be honest, I was not expecting to see fiberglass in that muffler at all. It's kind of neat that it was sandwiched in between the 2 sheets of metal that make up the skin of the muffler. I don't know, I suppose that's for sound, maybe it's for heat dissipation. I don't know. Anyway, very cool design. 3 chambers versus the 4 chambers of the SUV and the pickup muffler. Good old reverse flow design. Apparently you can't beat that. That's in all three of these mufflers that I've cut open now. So hope you liked the video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. I've got a lot of content on my channel. Do a lot of repair work, plus try to have some fun as well. So leave a comment below and let me know, what did you expect to see inside that stock muffler? Gremlins? I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. God bless. We'll see you next time.
Oh, come on, Sonny.